Hello everybody, and thanks for tuning in to watch this video today about our Go Technology hub2 mobile application. I'm using an iPhone today to demonstrate the capability of the app. You can use an Android device as well. You can download the app for free from any of your usual methods, so be it iTunes or Google Play Store. You can use any of them to download the app. So when you log into the app with your username and password that you'll receive from your project, you'll be presented with this type of view. So I'm in our customer demo database at the moment. Um, the little tabs that we've got down the side there, we've got my tag ITR. So that's ITRs that have been assigned to me. So you would have some ITRs notified to you potentially, but if you don't, you can still search ITRs, which is the second one down, and you can download these as well for any remote site working that doesn't have any connectivity. It doesn't have Wi-Fi, or you don't have a 4G connection. You can download these to use on site and then upload them when you get back into an area with Wi-Fi or 4G. Also do the same for our preservation work list. So my tag preservation work lists and search preservation work lists, and download. You can download these same way you can for the ITRs, and your downloaded ones will be in PDF format, the bottom two there before the bottom line. The select instance and select level E is what your projects are under Hub 2. Of course, you can log out. We've got a help function at the bottom as well that explains how you can do all of this. So to begin with, instead of going straight into my tag ITRs, I'll take you into the search ITRs. So this is all the ITRs that would be available for the project at the moment, but there's going to be a lot of information there for you. So you can use the filtered section. We can filter on tagged item. We can filter on ITR, test reference, codes, ITR class, discipline, subsystem assigned to, source draw, and you can see there's a few things that you can filter on there. So if I want to see electrical ITRs and I filter on there, back in here, and we've got E for electrical, search, that's my electrical ITRs coming up, so you'll see they're all prefixed with a letter E. Can also on our tagged items, so I want to search for pressure transmitters, so that typically would be a PT. Go back in, and there you can see all the prefixes PT. I can search for pressure transmitter there. If I click on this one here, you can see all this information that's pre-populated by your completions engineer for the project. This one's been assigned to Mike. Is there any? There's no attachments, but if you had a data sheet or similar, you can add that attachment there. You can then download the digital document, or you can download the smart PDF. I'll show you what they look like in a minute. So if we go back, so let's concentrate firstly on my tag ITR. So I have one assigned to me at the moment, 76 PT 1001 IO2A, so it's an installation sheet. I can download this, and then I can upload it as well, you can see. But if I go into this live document at the moment, you can see what the tag number, the system and subsystem it's located to. Description is a pressure transmitter, drawn references. So I can update some of these things. So here's my test equipment. So it's a Druck. So make, I'll just fill these in quickly. Model number, so we're just going to give it 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the information you're taking straight off your equipment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can put in your expiry date there as well. So you can see it's quite easy to update instead of pen and paper. It's been assigned to me. Others can still edit this document even though it's assigned to a said individual. So I can work through this sheet now. So confirm all instrument data correct as per project data. I can click OK. I could add photos here as well. Confirm instrument configurable correct to data sheet. OK. So I can work through all of these task items. So I need to complete all of these. We've got a calibration result. So if I open up the table, see my analog results here. Got our output indicated value, go through our cardinal range, 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, can fill that in. Again, these are free text fields. You can see, get that option to come up there. Can put in some comments like takes up that free text field again, unable to complete test due to a specific reason. But when I complete that sheet, if I put my name in there, as long as my name is electronically recognized and I'm part of that authorized persons matrix, I can then sign this sheet off. But I've noticed a problem while I've been completing this ITR. So what I want to do is I want to raise a punch list. I go into punch lists, can add my punch list item. So it's going to auto generate that number for the punch list because we've selected that during the preparation phase. And what I'm going to say is the electrical connections are not as per drawing. Okay. Can add a detailed description in here. Punch list item category, so I'm going to give that an A. Can't proceed. It's raised by, raised date. Punch list, what one it's against. Discipline, I'm going to put against electrical. See the tag ITR it's then going to be associated to. I can put in the area, module I'm in. I can go one step further here. I don't have to fill this in, but I can go that one step forward if I know when it's going to, the planned date for rectification is going to be, how long it would take, what documents they need to refer to, if we've got a job card assigned to it, and who I would assign that to. I can populate all that information. So now you can see here, I have my punch list form available. If I'm not too happy with that, I can always delete it straight there. So I can remove that punch list. Go back into my ITR. I've got an attachment here, so I want to view that attachment. So if I select Adobe to view the PDF, here we go. I've got a pressure transmitter instrument data sheet, so I can get any of the information that I would like off of this data sheet. I can just zoom in, quite easy to do with my phone, and then I can come back out, back into my ITR. So that was the ITR in the digital document form, as it is here. We can also download this into a smart PDF. So if I go into some of the ones I've downloaded before, here we go, straight in, put it into Adobe. I can make changes. These light blue text fields are available to type into, and I can also, you can see someone selected the OK, not applicable punch list items for specific tasks that you can do while completing this sheet. When you've done that, you can save it and it's ready for uploading back into the system, just as we've got here. You can upload that sheet straight back into the system, and then that'll upload the hub2 live web instance database the same way it would do as it recognizes your keystrokes when using a digital document. The same principles would apply for the tag punch lists, tag preservation work lists as well. So you can see I've downloaded a few for later that I can complete off-site. So hopefully that's explained how you can use the mobile device to find a ITR or find a preservation work list, utilizing either the assign function or the search bar, how you can complete the ITR straight through, and also how you can raise a punch list while you're in that ITR. Thanks for watching.